Hello guys. So in this video, we'll be exploring the post-call tab. So basically for any business, the most important thing is that what happens after the calls, right? So in this post-call tab, we can basically set the variables and set what summary, what data we get after a call in our CRMs, Google Sheets, and any other location where you want. So let's just jump right into it. So in this tab, as you can see, the first thing we can see is delivery method. So what this means is where and what location do we want the data to be stored. So we can select this. You can get this data on your email, in your Salesforce, HubSpot, or wherever you want. For this video, we'll just select Google Sheets as it is pretty easy to implement and show, right? So after selecting Google Sheets, for the Google Sheets integration, you first need to create an integration in your integrations tab. Now you need to paste the sheet link where you want the data to be added. Now going down, we can see that we will get all these details like the call summary, the full conversation which the bot and the user had. Also the sentiment analysis, that what was the mood of the user? Were they angry, happy, sad in the call, right? And the extracted information. Now this is the main part. Extracted information means all these variables. Now these two variables are created by AI. So what basically has happened is that this is a variable name. So this will be a column in the Google Sheet. And this is the description based on which the AI will fill these columns. So you can create more variables for your business use case. So what I'll do is I'll just create a variable as service date, and I'll give it the description as that when the user has agreed to take their car for service. So you can create as many variables as you want for your business. Now what we'll do is we'll just do a sample web call quickly and see what the Google Sheet looks like after the call. So we have done the call. Now let us check the data in the Google Sheet. So as you can see, we have one entry in the Google Sheet. And in the entry, we have this service date column where we have this date as intended. So yeah, this is how you can set up your post-call variables and configure where you want the data to be posted once the call is done. In the next video, we'll be exploring this recent call tab and seeing how we can analyze the data and make our bot even better. So catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.